Watch Kai. What happened? Instagram.com/ Come look up Kai. I got you. Is IG live?
Okay, where's the lighter? Fuck! Come on, guys! What we doing? What we doing? Keep it close. Keep it close. What we doing?
The fuck?
What am I, mother? Yo, it's a skate, you heard? D-Block K! Yo! D-Block K, nigga! I'm D-Block K, nigga! Yo! I'm D-Block K, nigga! Where am I dead, nigga? I'm not D-Block K. I'm not a violent nigga. D-Block K, nigga! Come on!
Yo, wait, is that an actual gang, bro? He's gotta chill, dude. Yo! Yo! Oh, nah, he's tripping! What the fuck? Oh!
The rules was okay. The rules was no rooms. Yo, the rules was no rooms.
Wait.
Niggas wanna violate.
Wait, it's TOS on God? No fucking shot. This is TOS. On my life, this is. How do y'all know it's not, bro? I'm pretty sure it is. Bruh. Oh, it's illegal? Is it actually illegal? How is letting off fireworks TOS? Because I think they're saying because he's doing it indoor. Nah, Stagnum, I'm not trying to get banned on Twitch. I got banned for fucking 45 days, bro. You're tripping, bro. Fuck out of here. Yeah, no, it actually is TOS, but I just looked it up. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna tell Kai. It actually is. Someone just